This is a final video to show you how to uncopylock or save instance a Roblox game properly. Are you tired of trying to copy games only to get errors or lose progress? This usually happens because Roblox has built-in security that prevents copying or saving certain games directly, and many tutorials online make it look super complicated with scripts and downloads that confuse you. On Rexish, I have a simple trick that works every time without risking your account or breaking the game. All you need is a few easy steps that even a beginner can follow, and you'll be able to save or uncopylock games safely. If you want to make a full step-by-step tutorial showing exactly how to do it, comment below, and I'll show you everything in detail.